Hello, how you doing? Look, today we're going to make this chicken. It is absolutely delicious. Doesn't take that long. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got there a 1 kg chicken, which is 2.2 pound. The bone is in, the skin is on, and I've cut it into pieces. What we're going to do is add a teaspoon of salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of turmeric. A little bit of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You can use any oil you want. That's just to sort of bring it together so the spices stick. You can see I've got a glove on. I'm going to go in and give that a mix, and then simply we're going to get over to the cooker. So you're going to need a pan of some sort. I've got it on below medium heat. We're going to drop our chicken parts in. Now don't have the heat up too high because you'll burn the chicken on the outside and it won't cook in the center. So below medium heat, I'm going to go for about 8 to 10 minutes, and I'm going to be flipping it around every minute or so. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Okay, so lovely color on the chicken. Probably not cooked all the way through as yet. What we're going to do now is add some vegetables. I'm using some green beans. I've got like a cup of green beans. And then a couple of cups here of pumpkin. Now, if you haven't got pumpkin, potato would work as a replacement maybe. Simply, we're going to get some stock. I've got some chicken stock here. And in it goes. So enough to cover the chicken over there. We're going to be on a medium heat now. And we're going to go for about 8 to 9 minutes. That's beautiful. Okay, off goes the heat. You can see that I've cooked that with the lid off and it's reduced down. And it's made a really nice sauce in there now. Beautiful stuff. And there we have it. Really, really delicious that is. Beautifully tender chicken. Lovely flavors. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.